Baltimore's Penn Station is about to get a big new look. Major renovations coming. Amtrak plans to invest $90 million in the historic station. That money would go toward expanding and modernizing Penn Station, help more passengers improve their experience. It's going to include a renovation of the existing out-of-service platform and the construction of an additional new platform. Amtrak also plans to make the area a transportation hub with shops, potentially even apartments that they'll build at Penn Station. Baltimore Penn Station, the 8th busiest Amtrak station in the country.